I'm Jeremiah Parkinson, and today we're going to be touring a very special boat, the all-new 2024 Riviera 465 SUV. When I talk about a really special boat, this is a full Sun Country marine spec boat. The design on this took birth in our Newport Design Center in terms of all the hard and soft goods, colors. We've got a custom tungsten silver hardtop, a palladium hull. This is the first Riviera that we've brought in a palladium, and it is absolutely stunning, incredibly rich. When we talk about what we do with Riviera on the West Coast, we really design a boat that is Cali chic, but combine that with the Australian utility. So it's a luxurious boat first and foremost, but also a really rugged blue water coastal cruiser designed for our Pacific coast to go anywhere you want to go. So come on aboard. The 465 SUV is really the sport utility vehicle or vessel of the water. Open cockpit for fishing, diving, any of your water sports activities. We've got basic rod holders, a full bait tank. We can make this boat as fishy as you want or a full luxury cruiser. As you step in, what's really made the SUV so popular is the mezzanine seating, the al fresco dining and seating area. So you have lots of space to entertain, but still the open cockpit at the back. And then as you step inside, this boat is just beautifully appointed. Waterfall countertops, high gloss American walnut, that's all grain matched. The best in absolutely everything, with state-of-the-art glass cockpit from Garmin, Volvo engines, lots of horsepower for incredible performance, just open and airy space. And on a 46-foot class boat, we have a 3 stateroom configuration, which is extremely unique. So the master is in the V berth, giving you a very wide beam, a lot of space, yet also opening up for 2 additional staterooms with a large double bed here and then individual beds in the other bunk room. So this is a 3 stateroom, 2 head boat. As you can see, the heads, the bathrooms are beautifully appointed. So you can see a very large, luxurious bathroom for the master. Thank you for joining me, and this 465 is immediately available for delivery here in Newport Beach or San Diego. Thank you.